It's a very quiet neighborhood. Yeah. Oh, wow. So nice.
So nice.
Yeah. Oh, I love this window. So this is our neighborhood. There's an airplane! Saturday and Sunday. Ah, okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Saturday and Sunday, 10 to 5.
Oh, I see.
Hi there. Oh, they answered. Ampalaya. How cute are these eggplants? Yeah, just go around. So we're gonna buy this one. And look, it has a zipper. Look at that. So convenient.
I'm running out of time. Every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby. I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
You see Santi?
Yeah, we've been walking for a long time.
Oh,
But it's good we like walking.
yes.
It's far. The mall is, no, it's okay. It's so beautiful here. There's a Ferris wheel here.
Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night.
Can you try to open?
Buy this one.
Yeah.
You're no good for me.
Thank you so much. We got recyclable bag. Machine.
Seeking your attention, but simple instead. 'Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me. Cases a day. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. 'Cause you and I are something I wish for every day.
There's an automatic door here. Okay. So it's 8 p.m. and we're walking back home. 2 hours.
Even more?
Yeah.
To stay inside the store. To exercise.
Yeah, but my feet and my legs are killing me. They're very sore right now. I have a Skype call at 9 p.m. I have an hour to prepare. We haven't eaten dinner yet. Tita's gonna cook while I prepare. Airplane again.